Hey y'all, it's Mary and welcome to my channel. This is Mary Catherine Loves Cats. I finally got my Boxycharm by Ipsy and this is super tiny. I hope everything's in here. I did cut it open to get it started, but I haven't looked inside. I should have some points, an item from points, and then I also got a little freebie and I'll tell you about that in a minute. So when I open it up, yeah, I'm not seeing. I'm seeing my freebie, but not my add-on. Anyway, okay, let me see. All right, inside is this. The Boxycharm by Ipsy. They choose 2 items for you, and then you get to choose 3 items. Usually out of each category, there's 6 things for you to pick from. So this is Return of the Wild is the month. You probably know this already because this came very, very late, and I'm disappointed that my little freebie isn't in there. I got a $3.50 freebie because I think it's because somebody signed up under me. I do know who it is. They know who it is. But they said to me when I was choosing, that you have a $3.50 freebie. I'm like, oh, I do? So I think that's because someone signed up under me. But anyway, they send you this, and there is, it's just informational stuff about Boxycharm and Ipsy, basically. So, it's not much, well, there's some about our products, but they choose 2 things for you. And what they chose for me, I'm very, very happy. This is a really good box. I got a good box. Let me see what they chose for me and I will show you. The first thing they chose for me is Violet Voss. Berries and Cream Dreams eyeshadow palette. So let me show it to you, if I can get it open. I'll try not to damage it. Oh, not always easy. I'm good at damaging boxes. But Violet Voss is a beautiful formula. I have several palettes by Violet Voss. It's very pretty. This is, let's see, Berries and Cream. That looks just like the box. And then when you open it, it has a nice magnet closure. It does have a mirror on one side. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, wow. It's really pretty. It has a little, sometimes, this happened to me last time, I think, with Violet Voss. It has a little damage to it, but not because of the shipping. So it's just because of the manufacturing or how it got packaged or whatever. Look how pretty that is. Can you all see? That's really pretty. It is, let's see, it's valued at $37, and it says this delectable collection of 10 shades will transport you to a desert paradise, literally, with a mix of matte, shimmer, and metallic finishes. You can whip up a range of eye-catching looks that will satisfy your sweet tooth. I thought that when I saw it online that it was way too pink. I love pinks and purples, but I thought it had too many pinks going on. But this right here looks rather purpley to me, which I love that color, and I love neutrals. So I may just keep this one for myself, y'all. It's beautiful. We may swatch that at the end. Let me see what else I got. That's what they chose that for me, so they did a great job. They also chose for me Fenty Beauty, which is by Rihanna. And this is the full frontal volume lift and curl mascara in Cause I'm Black. So of course it's black, $24. And everything, I should tell you, I get excited about seeing my Ipsy, my Boxycharm by Ipsy. Everything in here is full size. You get 5 full-size products. And you're guaranteed, are we guaranteed? And maybe not, were we guaranteed an amount? I don't think so, come to think of it. But my box is valued at $167. Have I had this before? I don't think I've had mascara by Fenty Beauty. Maybe I have. I can't remember. I know this design, but this design can be on different things, on some of her different items. It's possible, and I know I liked it if I got it. So I'm happy. I was happy that they picked this for me. Very happy. $24 value. Did I tell you that? Okay, next up. Let's see if it's in here. I'm not sure. No, y'all. Okay. Where is, okay. This is my first choice was I could choose from $1 Billion Billion Dollar Brows mascara. And I liked mascaras. I would choose a mascara, but I got the Fenty mascara. And there also was Beauty for Real, 2 complexion brushes, very pretty, but I just got complexion brushes in Allure. There was a blush by Anastasia of Beverly Hills. There was Il Makiage lip gloss, which I was really looking forward to, but I got a different one. There was Sophie and Mabel setting spray, which I hardly ever get a setting spray. So unless they just give it to me, I never pick it. There was the Pat McGrath Lippy. So of course I went for that. This one is called Liquid Lust Legendary Wear Lipstick in Nude Awakening. The Il Makiage was also a lip gloss. All right, look how pretty that packaging is for one thing. Let's see. You know, there's, she's always got those kinds of things going on there. This is a leg with, you know, like a sheriff's thing on it. And then this is it. It's beautiful. Look how pretty that is, y'all. So I'm hoping I'm going to like, it's Nude Awakening. I don't know if I'll like it, but the color, but I don't care. It's Pat McGrath. $34 value, y'all. Okay, so this is it. Doe foot and all. It's like a gold. Let's a gold orangey, a gold. Well, I have on the orange. What is this that I have on that I absolutely love? The Marc Jacobs. I don't usually wear oranges, but I did today. This is coppery. Look at how nice. It's got a great sheen to it. So it really is a lip gloss. It's beautiful. I should have not worn anything so that I could try that on, but this, I'll have this on soon in a video, I'm sure. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. Well, let me put it over here until I'm ready to finish up. Okay, second choice. Second choice, I could choose an Aveda styling foam, Ciate London black eyeliner, Ellis Brooklyn. That was a perfume, and it was in a tall, like stick looking thing. I don't know. There was also an Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer, which I never get bronzers. I never use bronzers, y'all, never. And then there was Mitchell and Peach body souffle. And Mitchell and Peach, they sell that a lot with Fab Fit Fun. I have had a soap by them before, and it's very, very nice. But I decided, you know, I like to stick with makeup in this box if I can. So I got this is Dallas & James. It's a moisturizer. I really don't know anything about it at all. It's got shrink wrap on it, so I'm trying to get that off. I'm not doing a great job either. It's pretty. I want you to see it's Dallas & James Skincare Company Watermelon Dream. Doesn't that sound nice for summer? Okay, so here's the packaging. See how pretty it is all the way around, okay? And let's see what it looks like. It says about this company, this is a $48 value. Nope, you're not dreaming. This thirst-quenching gel-to-water cream is everything you could ever want in a moisturizer. Ingredients like hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and watermelon work, hang on, next page, work, whoops. I didn't get it all on the printout, but it says, founded by a mom of two, Dallas & James Skincare Company aims to bring something fresh to the table with their line of dreamy vegan skincare. Their mission is for you to fall in love with taking care of your skin and feel empowered to chase your dreams with confidence. And look at that stunning packaging. Okay, Camille's up here. It's very, very elegant, very, very beautiful. Let's see how this top works. Okay, oh, I love that kind of pump. Can you see that? I love that kind of pump because then you really just get out what you need, you know, and it's beautiful. I normally don't use water-based skincare. Isn't that what this said about it? It said it was gel to water cream. I usually don't, y'all, because I have normal to dry skin. And for me, a water base is usually more for oily skin. So I'm not going to try it right now, but I just want that on my bedside table. It's gorgeous. Gorgeous packaging. So I love it. But I'm not going to try it right now. Let's I won't do it right now. Okay, next up, my last choice was there was a St. Jane Beauty brand SPF, which was absolutely gorgeous. It was a tube, but it was a wide tube. It was black, and it had these beautiful flowers on it. Almost got it just for the packaging, but it was an SPF. I've got plenty of those. There was Dew of the Gods body scrub. That was in, one of those packages that have a little twist thing on the end. Not my favorite kind of thing. Like a disposable package. There was an Estate lip balm. Estate Cosmetics. There was Touch and Soul primer, and there was an Elena Badro lip liner. So I got the Ciate London palette. I've had this palette before. It's gorgeous, and I think I gave it to someone because I just have too many similar colors. But this is Ciate London Trend Palette in Olive, and it's very beautiful. It is very trendy colors for the fall and winter coming on. Oh, I should show you. Here's the packaging. Ciate London, they always have the bow. So, uh-oh. Oh, no. It's broken. Oh, golly. Oh, that is a shame. I've had this before, and it wasn't broken before. So this can travel. Oh, 2 of them are broken. Oh, no. They're going to... Oh, yeah. They're going to say they're out of them. These 2 are busted completely. Oh, no. Value of $24. This has never happened to me before, y'all. I don't think. Honestly. I don't think so. I know people get broken palettes, but I'll tell you, my box took forever to get here. Look at it. It's gorgeous. Look at how pretty the colors are, though. That green is fabulous. The box is warped looking. And, all right, Camille, get out of there, love. I didn't get my $3.50 thing. All right, Camille, you can have the box in a minute, but give me a minute. It's popped out. It was sitting, waiting to be delivered for like 10 days. So you can get in there, love. Come on. Now you're going to have green. You're going to have green all over you. You're going to be a green white girl. Wow, y'all. Look at, though, how pretty. I'll tell you that. It's gorgeous. Okay. Anyway, y'all. So that is my Ipsy, my Boxycharm by Ipsy. I got the beautiful Violet Voss palette. I'm not going to swatch it right now because it's too messy. My table is filled with powder. I got this gorgeous, oh my goodness, how gorgeous is this, y'all? Gorgeous skincare from, what was that called? It's new to me, Dallas and James. Beautiful, beautiful. I got the, the Pat McGrath Fabulous Lippy. There it is. It dried down to a very copper. And the Fenty mascara, which I will be putting soon into my arsenal. I'm changing out mascara shortly. The Ciate London palette that was beautiful. And then I got an add-on. I used some points. Which they'll probably give me points for this too, y'all. But I got this from my points. I did not get my little add-on, which was a little mascara, a cute little mascara. This is the brand Seraphim Botanicals. I love Seraphim Botanicals. They're rather expensive, but they're anything for their lips that I've tried have been really great. Also, their eyeshadows and things. When I was getting, let me think about it. Hang on, am I thinking about the wrong thing? Anyway, I might be saying about the wrong thing. This is a long-lasting vegan lip stain, it says. Cherry Moya and Fig. So here it is. It's in a lucite type container. I've had this before, y'all, and it was way bigger. Now, against my hand, that looks like it's full. If you could see how this is, I wish you could see the way that I'm seeing it. It's just a little tiny tube in the middle of that lucite. There we go. That might be able to show you. It's super tiny amount. This stuff is great. I have one going. Let me go see if I can get it. All right, y'all. No, I'm wrong. This is what I have. See how that is just, you can see that that's full. This is a lip stain. Also, it's a lip gel. This is what I have, and I use this often. This is a lip stain. So I'm not gonna open it right now. I have so many. If you knew how many lippies I had, you'd be like Mary. But it's a little bit different color and all. This is very moisturizing, very moisturizing. And I love their, see, it doesn't add too much color, a little bit of color. I love their, I don't even know what it's called, but I use it every night. It's a moisturizing, I won't say it's a lip balm, it's in a little tube and you put it on your lips before you go to bed. You can use it all day, but that's what I do. I keep it by my bedside and it keeps my lips moisturized. So y'all, I'm gonna try to take pictures of this mess and I'll put them on Instagram if you'd like to see, you know, what I got. So, oh, I'm disappointed and it's being broken. So y'all, thanks for stopping by to see what I got from Boxycharm by Ipsy for August. And y'all, count your blessings. Bye-bye.